Hey guys, bcwgardens here, and I would like to thank you for watching today's video. Now, today is going to be the first day that a video is actually going to come out within the last 4 months, 5 months technically. I want to apologize for not being on the video, not being on top of getting videos out and everything, but just to let you know, videos are going to start coming out 3 times a week. Also, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are already subscribed, you know exactly what to do. Click the like button, comment down below if you guys have any suggestions of what you would like to see me cover. I am going to be covering a whole wide range of content, from compost to succulents to arrangements to clearing debris to pretty much a little bit of everything. So if you guys have any suggestions of what exactly you would like to see me cover, please feel free to put it in the comments down below. Other than that, I will see you guys all in the next video. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys later. Keep on gardening and have fun.